Sicily, idly Mount Etna, has once again revealed its terrifying side. From the slopes of this famously active Italian volcano, hot lava gushes forcefully through several new fissures that have opened on the surface. A glowing red light pierces the darkness as volcanic smoke billows high, creating a scene reminiscent of a world consumed by fire. The spectacle at Etna is truly extraordinary. Lava flows emerging from these new fissures are drastically altering the mountain's landscape. Molten rock at extreme temperatures moves down the slopes, leaving behind a constantly shifting mosaic of black and red surfaces. At night, the scene becomes even more dramatic. The lava resembles a giant river of fire flowing slowly down the mountainside. A brilliant red-orange glow illuminates the surrounding dark rock. Occasionally, the lava crust cracks open to reveal the incandescent material beneath, as if the mountain possesses veins of fire exposed to the surface. Etna appears like a breathing giant. Smoke billows from the zone of volcanic activity, and the rumbling from deep within the mountain's belly adds to the sense of awe and dread. Each new fissure serves as a reminder that the true power lies far beneath the surface, beyond human sight. The emergence of new lava fissures is one of the most concerning aspects of this volcanic activity. Lava does not always follow the same path. Changes in pressure and magma movement within the mountain can open new cracks and create fresh channels for volcanic material to escape. This means that a path appearing safe may not remain so. In an instant, a fissure can transform into a source of flowing lava. The searing material follows the contours of the terrain, destroying or incinerating everything in its path. Even more concerning is that the dangers posed by the volcano are not limited to lava flows alone. Volcanic gases, ash, hot rock fragments, and sudden shifts in activity also present significant threats. Wind conditions can carry ash and gas far from the eruption site. Around Etna, natural beauty and the threat of disaster coexist. Lava flows may appear slow, yet they harbor extreme heat. As the incandescent material reaches new areas, it scorches vegetation and transforms the mountain's slopes. It leaves a distinctive mark. Surfaces that were once brown or green slowly turn black. In some areas, a red glow remains visible through the fissures of newly formed rock. As night falls, the contrast becomes even more dramatic. Against the dark sky, the glowing lava shines brightly. Plumes of smoke rise like giant shadows moving across the mountain. From the outside, Etna appears as if it is burning from within. It is no wonder that such a sight makes anyone witnessing it feel small in the face of nature. Volcanoes are not static objects. Beneath the surface lies a constantly changing magma system. Pressure, temperature, rock strength, and magma movement all influence the course of an eruption. That is why experts continuously monitor Etna's activity. Subtle changes in seismic activity, surface shape, temperature, or gas emissions can offer clues about what is happening deep within the mountain. Yet, the volcanic activity remains intense, and it is precisely this intensity that makes the sight of Etna so mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. Etna presents a paradox that is difficult to put into words. On one hand, the lava flows offer a spectacular sight. The red light cutting through the darkness creates a panorama reminiscent of scenes from disaster movies. Yet, at the same time, Every flash of red carries an intensely scorching heat. Each lava flow demonstrates that the Earth remains active. Every new fissure signals movement within the mountain's subterranean system. And every plume of smoke serves as a reminder that this majestic landscape is not a spectacle that humans can control. Lava now takes center stage on the slopes of Etna. Rivers of molten rock creep slowly forward, while the mountain stands firm behind them, smoke billowing continuously. It is as if Etna is showcasing its power to the world, a truly mesmerizing and awe-inspiring sight for anyone who witnesses it.